Alright, I'm going to do a quick video of this alarm clock that you've seen in the background. This is in fact a General Electric model 7354 with a question mark because the model number may be missing some places, but yeah. This is another Goodwill shop find. It was labeled for 99 cents, but it was orange tag week, so I got it for 50 cents, so yay me. It is in fact missing the little button for the snooze bar, and apparently there might have been something to put on the side and the other side. Excuse me. So yeah. And here's the model number. Come on, focus. Please focus. And it's upside down. So yay me. So yeah. You gotta believe me on this. Yeah, it's a 7350 something. I'm gonna assume it's a 7354. So yeah, made in the USA. And it is supposed to be a lighted dial, but I think the excuse me. I think the dial lamp is probably burned out. So yeah. The time is already set, so yeah, not impressive. But what do you want for 50 cents? So yeah, that's that. Quick video of the General Electric alarm clock 7354 possible. Till next time, thanks for watching. Comment boxes open.